Guys, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of Blurry on the application of Discord. You will go to settings. In this page, you will go to apps, default apps, app settings. Here in this page, you will go to above. Here you will search about Discord app. Then this page of app info, you will click on first stop and you will click OK. Here you will enter to the window of storage. Then we click on clear cache. Here you can turn off your Wi-Fi and you can turn on your Wi-Fi again to fix that problem. So please don't forget to support us, bell icon, subscribe. See you next time in another video.